So I thought I'd do a quick video while I've got the MC85 stripped down a little bit. Getting ready to rejet the carburetor, and it's a little easier to do with the pipes off, and I got a new pipe I'm putting on here anyway. So got the pipe off. I'm putting new plastics on, so I got the plastics off. And you know, this is a really impressive little motorcycle. I discover things about it as I'm working on it. You know, one, this is all about KTM. You can see it says KTM right there, and on the seat itself it says KTM, and ironically it says GasGas right here. Now, I didn't even know this hour meter was here. I took the seat off. There's one bolt to take the seat off, and it's underneath the rear fender. It screws into here, so the screw's actually right up underneath here. You take that one screw out from underneath, and you just slide the seat back. All right, so it's pretty simple to get that off, but you got your ECU, and you have your hour meter, which is cool. Now, there is a map switch. Well, it's not actually a map switch, but there's a plug that's, well, I don't know if you can really see it. It's, oh, there it is. It's that little white back in here. That's the map switch, right? Well, it's not, yeah, it's the map plug. So you can put a map switch on here and switch between aggressive and mellow maps. I don't think I'm gonna, well, I might put a map switch on. I'm still thinking about that, but it's there, it exists. All the lines, all the brake lines and the hydraulic clutch are all steel braided lines, which I thought is really impressive. So that's really good. The one thing I did note is that I'm going to change my shifter. I've got a shifter that's a little bit longer. And one thing I noticed is to get back here to this bolt, the chain actually swings right down in front of it. So it makes it kind of hard to get to that bolt with the chain on there. I'm replacing the chain anyway, so I just took it off. But you can kind of get a good look at what we're doing here. I'm just going to spin this carburetor. I'm going to put a leaner idle jet in. I'm just going to jet it according to my riding elevation and typical temperature. And for me, it's basically just a leaner idle jet. I'm going to a number 42. So I'll be doing that. I'll put that in. Then I'll put the pipe back, you know, I'll put the new pipe on. And I'll be well on my way. I've got a new sprocket that I'm putting on there, one more tooth. And that should be about it. Like I said, all new plastics, and there's some odds and ends. I'm putting a Creft power dowel that's going to go on there. I'll show you that later. I'll show you everything later, but I just wanted to give you a quick look. Here it is. Some of the plastic off, some of the things I've discovered. I didn't even know, like, there's an hour meter. So that's cool. Anyway, on to the build, and I hope you guys get something out of this, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing a really cool dirt bike when I'm done.